Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Easy Maths with Amna, where we make maths simple and easy. Today we are going to solve question number 5 from the exercise 4.4 from class 9 mathematics. This question is about finding where the potential energy is an electric field is 0 given by the cubic function. Let's break down it step by step. It's very easy and simple question. Just take that cubic expression, put the value of potential energy, because they says that determine where the potential energy is 0 means that Vx is equal to 0. Substitute the Vx is equal to 0 and we get an equation. After using that equation, find the value of x variable. Let us first understand the question. We are given the potential energy as a cubic function of a distance x. Take that potential energy Vx is equal to 2x cube minus 6x square plus 4x. We need to find the values of x where the potential energy is 0. This says that the potential energy is 0 means Vx is equal to 0. Substitute the value of Vx is equal to 0 into the cubical function. We need to solve the equation. This is called finding the roots of the zeros of the equation. We just need to simple find the value of x variable. Substitute the potential energy is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 2x cube minus 6x square plus 4x. After substituting the potential energy is equal to 0, do the factorization on the right hand side and find the value of x variable. Simple क्या करेंगे? Let us see either any common thing in all these terms. हमारे पास 3 terms है, क्या इनमें कुछ common बाहर आ रहा है? तीनों term में से हम 2x को common बाहर निकाल सकते हैं. Take 2 common from the first term and 1x. When we take the 2 common from the first term and 1x common, x square left inside. Minus sign. 6 is the product of 2 multiply 3. When we take the 2 and x common, from 6 2 common, it becomes 3. And x square 1x common, x 1x left inside. Plus sign. Prod is the product of 2 multiply 2. When we take 2 1 common, they left 2 inside and 1x common, there is nothing left. 4x में से अगर हम 2x को common बाहर निकालेंगे, we left only 2 inside. Now 0 is equal to 2x. Do the factorization at this part. इस part पे हम factorization method को करते हुए हम इनको factorize कर लेंगे. Mid term breaking method को use करेंगे. Mid term breaking method क्या होता है कि first term के coefficient of first term is 1 and the last term constant को multiply कर देते हैं. 1 multiply 2 we get 2. Make the factors of 2. 1 multiply 2 are the factors of 2. We have to break the middle term by using these factors. This is known as the mid term breaking method. Middle term को इन factors को use करते हुए break कर लेते हैं. 1x के remain same. माइनस 3x को हम ब्रेक कर देंगे. माइनस 1x माइनस 2x माइनस 1x माइनस 2x प्लस 2x रिमेन सेम. नाउ अगेन फोकस करते हैं अपना मिडल टर्म ब्रेकिंग पे. फर्स्ट 2 टर्म्स में से वी हैव टू टेक वन कॉमन थिंग आउटसाइड. फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड टर्म वी सी दैट देयर इज x कॉमन in both term. Take the x common from the first and the second term. When we take the x common from the first term, 1x left inside. When we take x common from the second term, 1 left inside. Second term में से जब हमने x common निकाल लिया, minus 1 left inside. Now in the next step we have to take the common thing from the third and the fourth term. Like that pattern we get x minus 1 inside. इस तरह कॉमन लेते हैं कि हमारे पास अंदर x minus 1 ही बचे. Take minus 2 common from the third and fourth term. When we take the minus 2 common from the third term, we left x inside. इस टर्म में से आप minus 2 common बाहर निकाल देंगे, we left x inside. When we take minus common from the fourth term, जब भी आप minus common बाहर निकालते हैं ब्रैकेट से और you are multiplying inside the bracket, it will change the sign. When we take the minus sign common, the positive change into negative. And 2 common, 2 is the product of 2 multiply 1. When we take 2 common, 1 left inside. Again in the next step, take x minus 1 common from the both term. We take x minus 1 common. We left, when we take the x minus common from the first term, we left x inside. And when we take x minus 1 common from the second term, we left minus 2 inside. By doing the midterm breaking method, we do the factorization of that cubic expression. Now, because all the expression is equal to 0, तमाम expression 0 के equal है, तो implies के sign के साथ आप लिख देंगे 2x is equal to 0. Simple first. X minus 1 is equal to 0, comma x minus 2 is equal to 0. By using this method, we are going to calculate the value of x variable. इस तरह करने से इन तीनों को सेपरेट 0 के इक्वेट करके हम x की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट कर देंगे. 2 इज द कोफिशिएंट गोज ऑन द अदर साइड. 0 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 वी गेट 0. x इज इक्वल टू 0 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 वी गेट x इज इक्वल टू 0. फर्स्ट आंसर वी गेट. सेकेंड टर्म में देखते हैं x माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0. -1 इज द कांस्टेंट. व्हेन कांस्टेंट चेंज साइड, जब कांस्टेंट अपनी साइड चेंज करता है तो साइन चेंज हो जाता है. नेगेटिव चेंज इनटू पॉजिटिव, पॉजिटिव चेंज इनटू नेगेटिव. नेगेटिव साइन में दूसरी साइड पे जाके पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. वी गेट x इज इक्वल टू 1. नेक्स्ट x माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू 0. -2 है, it's a constant. When it change its side, negative sign change into positive sign, -2 goes on the side become positive. This is our required solution of that cubical expression when the potential energy is 0, and this is our required answer. I hope this was clear and helpful. If you have any question, drop them in the comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy maths video. Allah Hafiz.